Hey there, this is Kevin News, co-founder of MeshMesh. Today I'm going to take you through how to use Cloud Control Studio to set up and run a marketing intelligence demo inside of Salesforce. So to get started, we're going to create a new task here in Cloud Control. And we're going to select our Salesforce template. And we're going to give it this additional context of how to set up the demo. I'll talk about what's in that file in just a second. And then we're going to give it a quick prompt to kick it off and tell it to set up the demo, run through the automated setup based off of the demo that we want to be able to run, and then let us know what additional tasks might need to be done inside the UI that we'll have to do. Since Marketing Intelligence is a UI forward product with dashboards to help you manage your marketing campaigns and improve the performance, there are a few things that we'll need to do there. So it'll give us a list of those. And we'll put those right into actually our Cloud Control Chrome extension so that we can go through those really quickly and have everything right there in context and make it super simple and fast. So Cloud Control is going through the documentation right now. And what I mentioned is in that context file are just the types of things that we want to set up for the demo. So it's putting some mock data and images in there and teeing up some dashboards and different setup for us. This could be done inside of our built-in planner here as well, and you could just talk through the types of things that you want to have set up in Marketing Intelligence, and it would go ahead and create the plan around that. Just to save a little time, I had that in that extra context file. And now you can see it's got its tasks ready to go, and it's going to start running through these. So I'm going to head and let that go for a couple of minutes. Marketing Intelligence is a great example of a product that works across multiple products inside of the Salesforce ecosystem, across Data Cloud and across Tableau next as well. And so Cloud Control is built to orchestrate across any of the Salesforce products, across any of your orgs, pulling all of the data together, pulling all of your campaigns together, can execute campaigns inside of Marketing Cloud as well. So very versatile in what it can do. It can administer your system, set up new users, manage permissions, really reduce the number of clicks. So the other thing to mention about that context of this demo that I had set up in that initial file for reference is actually 35 pages of manual work in an implementation guide that we've put in here into this automation you see here, and then the few tasks that we'll have here to do in the UI to both set up and demo the product at the same time. All right, so it looks like it has completed the automated steps and given us a summary of what it's done here. And so then we can go to the Marketing Cloud in our instance, and we can grab those UI tasks that we need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on our Cloud Control Chrome extension and load up that list of tasks that it just generated for us on the fly. And it has them displayed right here, right beside our content. So super easy to follow along, check off the progress on, copy information over for field names or searching. Let's go ahead and set up this first EMI mock data connector as one of the demo pieces. So we're going to go into settings and search the other connectors like it said. Following the steps here, we'll create a new one. And then let's check here again. All right, going to go down to the EMI mock connector. And then we've done the meta ads one, I saw that. So let's do the Google ads here. Copy that over. All right, scrolling on down. Here we go, mock data. Paste that in. Just like that. Got mock data for Google ads. Great. Let's check this one off the list. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do something visual here in the dashboards. How about we, let's set up a goal here. Let's get our first goal in the dashboard for our campaigns. So I'm gonna go back to the Marketing Intelligence home, go to goals, and set our first goal here. All right, so got the information we need to set this up. I'm gonna do impression metrics based off of this demo that we're setting up here. Let's go ahead and do the meta ads. And what's our goal value? Copy that over. Perfect. And start date for this report. And let's do that through the end of the year. Paste that in. It's generating that dashboard, and there it is. Just like that, we've got our first goal on the dashboard. All right, we are flying through these. Let's mark this one off. Let's do one more. Let's do a Salesforce or Agentforce agent. And that way we can set up the out-of-the-box agent that helps you optimize your campaigns. So I'm gonna go to the Agentforce Studio here, click on Agents, pull up the list of our agents. We're just gonna go down to the default agent here. Open it in Builder so that we can edit it. And now let's set it up and turn on the out-of-the-box optimization for media campaigns. So let's see, we need to deactivate it so we can edit it first. Okay, we'll do that in a second. And then we're gonna go to the asset library and select the paid media topic that exists there. Okay, sounds easy enough. Add from library. Let's go ahead and search for that. Paid media. Great. Let's go ahead and get rid of that general CRM for now. We don't need both of them at this time, and we'll activate that again. And we actually have another demo where we use Cloud Control to create custom, complex Agentforce agents that do pretty much anything you need to help run your business. So check that out. We can do new agents in 3 minutes instead of 3 hours of trailheads. All right, we're back on the dashboard here, Marketing Intelligence, clicking the Optimize Campaigns. That starts our conversation with our agent here. And says we should optimize our meta ads. So let's go ahead and do that. It's got a few different objectives. Let's do engagement. Let's optimize for engagement, I think, for our campaigns. It's going to do some number crunching. Out of our sample data, it's going to show us our lowest performing ads. Part of what we set up here in that data, we can see the ads here, and these are it right here. Great. That's it. Knocked another one off the list. Thanks so much for watching.